Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk about a little bit about stock market, and we are going to continue about my short list of stocks which I'm going to talk about. This week has been a very eventful one, and before this also election week also was there before this week, and a lot of volatility was there in the making in the stock market. Let me share my screen for you to understand on the charts what happened exactly. And let's see now. Yeah. So first stock which I'm going to talk about is IRB Infrastructure. IRB Infrastructure is a stock listed on a stock market in the Indian stock market, which is National Stock Exchange. And you can see that IRB Infra was really performing well in September of 2023. It gave up a confirmation that it may go up from here. It gave a confirmation later on, actually not in September, but in November, it gave a clear indication that it is going to go up. Every stock, I always say that in simple terms that uh, the stocks always they say that they are going to go up now, and they scream that buy me, buy me, buy me. That's the time you should be able to analyze the stocks, particular stocks, and enter them to make some profits. And after November of 2023, it started picking up the pace, and December was decent. But January of 2024, you can see the very big climb in its stock. This green candle, big green candle, starting from 40 rupees, almost 40 rupees, and it went up to almost 70 rupees. So it was a big gain. So more than 50% in just 1 month. So brilliant return on investment in just 2 months. And then later on, if you could have held it for more longer time, and which you should have, so it consolidated a little bit. It went down. Actually, it tested a lot of patience of investors, and then it continued its upward trend. And now it was consolidating for next 3 to 4 months after giving a good decent chunk of money made by investors in January, November, December, January, and then it started to consolidate a little bit. And then in the month of June, you can see that it was performing really well afterwards, but it was a bit volatile too. Now currently it is down. It went up really strongly yesterday, that is on 9th of June, Monday. uh, I mean, not 9th on, not 9th, I mean today is Monday, 10th of June. But before, in the last week, I mean on Friday, on 7th, I mean on 7th it was performing really well, and it was a Friday, and then it continued now on Monday to go down. It went down significantly, and you can see that it has still to perform well. So much time left for its good performance to left, and I feel like it is so much of its good performance is left now for the future coming months, and we should keep on holding it if you have it. If you don't have it, then I don't think it is a good time to invest right now. You have to see if it continues its trend. But if you are invested already in November, December, then it is a very good chance of going up, even continuing its long-term trend. And next stock I'm going to talk about is Inox Wind. Inox Wind recently had a stock split in the month of May, later part. Last 2 weeks, I mean, I don't know, remember exactly when, but I think it was in the second last week of the May month of 2024 when it had a stock split. And before that, in November of 2023, it was picking up its pace and it was really performing well. And this was the time to buy the stock in the month of January, after it gave up a confirmation in December of 2023. And it is consolidating right now, not the biggest of return in the less in these few months, last few months. And it was a less return, but we can see that it is still a lot of momentum left in a stock, and we can still hold on to this. And now it is June again. Volatility hit this stock as well of June month, in June month of 2024, because of the election results and everything. But it has a good prospects for investment left, and we should keep this in check. Next stock I'm going to talk about is, let's see, hmm, Hindustan Unilever. Hindustan Unilever is a stock which has been performing really well in the last 2 months, and you can see that it wasn't always performing well over the recent past. You can see that it was going sideways for a long time now. Since 2020, around March time, after COVID, it was consolidating. It didn't go significantly upwards or it didn't go significantly downwards, but it was stuck in a stuck. And you can see that it was in a range bound. It didn't cross the high of 2850 and low of 1770. So this was the range. It was bouncing up and down in the middle of this two range. And now in the month of June, it is showing some good promise, and a lot of FMCG stocks are also performing well. So that's a very good significant step for this stock, and it may go up from here, but we have to wait for this. We have to wait patiently. So this was it for today. These three stocks which people should have invested early in the 2024 year or before 2024, when in the case of IRB infrastructure. And you can see that this has a lot of promise, these three stocks. And when you see the stock market, and it is very important to notice that we have to keep a long-term view and always be, if you are investing technically, even long-term via technical analysis or price action trading or momentum trading or maybe positional trading, whatever you call it, we have to keep patience and have a long-term horizon view, and we have to stick by it, and we have to go have some patience. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. It was great to talk to you and discuss some important stocks in news and related to stocks and everything. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Subscribe if you like this video. Thank you very much. Thank you.